Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swaminathan S.M., Associate Professor, ECE Department. Now I am going to discuss about the topic called P compensation. So first of all, we will discuss about the previous class. Already we discussed about the steady state error. So today's discussion, we will discuss about what is meant by controller, what are the types of controller, what are proportional controllers and advantages of proportional controller, disadvantages of proportional controllers, following with the activity integral controllers, advantages of integral controller and disadvantages, and derivative controllers summary. So here, what is controller? What are the types we are using the controllers? So controllers means it is a mechanism to minimize the difference between the action values of a system and the desired value of the system for particular set point. So the controllers are the fundamentals part of the controller engineering, that is controlled engineering, and uses for complex control systems. The importance of the control system includes it can improve the steady state accuracy by decreasing the steady state error. Steady state accuracy improves stability, also improves in reducing the unwanted offsets produced by the system, control the maximum overshoot of the system, help in reducing the noise signals produced by the system, help to speed up the slow response of undamped system, and the types of controllers, continuous and discontinuous controllers. The discontinuous controllers means the manipulated variables changes between discrete variables. So depending on how many different states the manipulated variable can assume, a distinction is made between two position or three position or many positions. It very simple operating point, and also it switches the final controlling elements. So controlled, that is continuous controllers, a controlled variable, that is manipulated variable, can have the multiple value within the controller's output range. So the continuous controller theory, it has three important basic modes. One is proportional controller, another one is integral controllers, and third one is the derivative controllers. So these are all the different controllers types. First one is PI controller, proportional and integral controllers, that is PI, and proportional derivative controllers, that is PD controller, and third one is proportional integral derivative controllers. So these are all the three types of controllers. So proportional controller means the two conditions it has. One is the deviation should be large. Three should be large deviations between the input and output. The deviation should not be a sudden, so it is a gradual one. So the output is directly proportional to the error signal. So A of t is proportional to E of t, that is E of t. If you equate E of t means A of t is equal to Kp. Kp is nothing but that is a constant value. So it's greater than 1 means then it will be amplify the error signal. So thus the error signal can be detected directly. So advantages means reducing the steady state error when the system makes more simple or more stable. The slow response of the underdamped, that is overdamped system, can be made faster with the help of this controller. Disadvantages means due to the presence of the controller, these controllers we get some offset in the system. So the proportional controllers also increase maximum overshoot of the system. So following with the activity, we will discuss about the integral controller. So integral means the integral that it defines A of t is proportional to integral part of 0 to t E of t into dt. So equate means K of t into integral 0 to t E of t into dt. So Ki is the integral constant for the controller gain, and second one is the integral controller is also known as the reset controller. So the advantages and disadvantages of the integral controller. So advantages means due to their unique ability, it returns the control variable back to the exact set point that following the disturbance. That's why it is called a reset controller. Disadvantages means it unstable because it responds slowly towards the produced error. So these are all the disadvantages. Advantages of derivative controller means that it improves the transient state of the response. Next point, the derivative controller. That means derivative controller means it is a derivation point. So a of t is proportional to derivative of e of t divided by dt. Equate means kd. Kd is the derivative constant. So next, these are all the important concept for the different systems. That is P controller, PI controller, PID controller. Thank you.